With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In which of the following modes of inhibition there is no direct interaction between inhibitors and active site of enzyme? Competitive inhibition predicted, feedback inhibition, non-competitive inhibition, or both 2 and 3. Now what happens is your enzyme gets attached to the substrate or to an inhibitor. If it gets attached to the substrate, it forms enzyme substrate complex, and if it binds with the inhibitor, no product is formed. Okay, no product is formed. Now let's see this. The non-competitive inhibition. Non-competitive inhibition. This is an enzyme and this is a substrate and this is an inhibitor. What happens is inhibitor gets attached to the site other than the active site. You see, this is your active site. It gets attached to the site other than the active site and it changes its shape so that the substrate cannot attach. See, it has changed its shape and it forms enzyme inhibitor complex and no reaction takes place. You can see there was no interaction between active site and inhibitor. Okay, now look at this feedback inhibition. This is a feedback inhibition. This is an enzyme 1. It gets bind with the substrate and intermediate substrate is formed. Now this is enzyme 2. It gets attached to the intermediate substrate and end product is formed. Now this end product, what it does is inhibit the process. The end product gets attached to the enzyme. See, this is your active site. But it gets attached to the other side than the active site and it inhibits the process. Here also you can see no interaction between active site and inhibitor. Okay, now look at this. This is your competitive inhibition. This is your competitive inhibition. This is a competitive inhibitor and this is a protein enzyme. And this is a binding site or active site. Here you can see the inhibitor gets attached. Here you can see the inhibitor gets attached to the active site. So interaction present between inhibitor and active site. Now let's look at the question. In which of the modes of inhibition there is no direct interaction between inhibitor and active site? Feedback inhibition and non-competitive inhibition. So the answer is both 2 and 3. Okay, this is your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.